Good morning, YouTubers.
Hey, this is Jerome, North Dakota Preparedness. I'm a little helper here. Here to talk about some first aid kits this morning. We have a Boy
Boy Scouts of America one.
Yep. This is retail of $29.99 or $29.99.
To get it, you can go to any Boy Scout shop.
Or you can get it online at the Boy Scout America website.
Yeah.
This is not the best first aid kit, I don't think. Let's go with, I guess, a little bit of philosophy before you open it up. You have, in my opinion, three different thoughts. One, you have the thought of that you can buy a pre-made first aid, or you can buy the pre-made first aid kit. You can take the time to put your own first aid kit together. And this sometimes it would be your own. I mean, it would take time. It would take the time. It would take the effort to actually put in the work for and then research of all the stuff to get.
Put like in the middle of us.
Oh, well, then you can't see. You take time, and you have to take time to research and put in forth a lot more effort. Or you can go to the third route of buying a pre-made first aid kit and adding to it, in which is going to be my hope for this one, because it is not the greatest. Does it meet the Boy Scout standards? Yes. Does it meet the Jerome standards? No.
And there can be other types of Boy Scouts of America ones. They have these straps. They have these, that way you can hang it on backpacks and stuff that have straps.
Do you know what they're called?
I forgot.
It's Molly webbing or Powell's webbing that you basically interlace in between the straps, and you can interlace them into the straps here and hook them on there. You can attach them to a backpack, or I guess you can hook them onto your belt or whatever you need to do.
So like when you're going rappelling and like it's bleeding from hitting one of the rocks so hard and it's going to take a long time to get to the bottom, then you can like open it and like get a band-aid out and you can put it on, and you can get it to hang out because none of it falls apart. And none of the materials fall out because there are some zippers.
Yep, he's right. None of this stuff really falls out because it has a lot of pouches and stuff like that. We've had this a little while. We haven't really taken it out as far as camping or a whole lot. But
it does have some notes, and I don't know what these are for.
Let's see here. Oh, that's it's moleskin. I'm basically putting on your feet, bottom of your feet to blisters and stuff. Tweezers.
We have tweezers, and they're like this little tiny thing right there. That way, if you want to close it, then you can push it on and then put that on.
Yep.
And it won't slide off a lot.
I hear the other one.
It's just my sister is waking up. Let me put the notes in.
Got a lot of band-aids here.
Yeah, there's.
I haven't really checked out and see how the quality of the band-aids, but
I forgot to put the notes in.
Yep.
It has hand sanitizer, and that reminds me that the coronavirus is going out around right now.
Yes, it is.
We have some a pack of like gloves in here.
Yes.
And here we have like materials of.
Remember what stuff is?
We have scissors. I don't know what these are, and we have a pencil. We actually do have shears, and we haven't seen if they can cut so well. So
Let's go check them out.
I'm gonna see if they can.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
No, go this way. Yep.
They don't cut very
You gotta
good.
do it on the camera, buddy.
They don't cut very
see.
good.
Let me see.
Oh, they do cut good.
Yep, you just gotta do it. You just gotta.
Takes some time. It takes you time.
Yep, it does cut the material. It also cut. It just cut through 3 layers of jean material right there. It was a little bit of work, but it did it.
I don't know what this is, but it can blow up.
It looks like a dry bag. It looks like a little dry sack, like a phone or something. Almost. I don't know why it would be in there, but here.
So let's move on now.
Yep.
Once he gets that in there,
Good.
mix it up. So let's move on now. So,
You already did that.
oh, yeah, whoops.
So what is this?
We do have some
You remember what this is?
tape.
Yes. You really don't need to see it. You really don't need to see it. Okay. They need to see it.
It is white. There's different colors of the tape.
Nope.
Of-
That's for this tape. There's just white.
There is some
It's
packets in there with it.
Yeah, it's antibacterial, antibacterial stuff for cuts and stuff. Also has reflectors, I guess, so you can actually see
And
the
now
pouch, which only makes sense to really put one of these on the outside. Almost, but I don't know. I'll put it on the outside on there instead of on the inside. Did you take one of these off?
no,
Okay.
I guess it just fell off.
Oh, okay. It fell off.
I guess this is a tube.
It's a C. Oh, don't open it up. It's a CPR barrier shield for a CPR like mask thing, which I'm trying to put back.
I think these are some Z-Packs.
It's hydrocortisone. That looks like I don't even know if there's any other. Yeah. I will put some children's Benadryl in here. Definitely. Some children's Benadryl, and probably I haven't really tested out the Band-Aids to see how well they are.
They don't have that the thing that you can pour on your finger when there's something wrong, like a burn or something.
Burn cream? Burn cream? I haven't seen any burn cream, but there might.
That's in the first aid kit in there. The thing that you put on your finger when
For
you
a
have
cut?
that burn.
A cut?
No, when you like burn yourself, that white bump. Remember that?
No.
The cream thing.
No. So. Yeah. Hey, good morning. So yeah, this is the Boy Scout America first aid kit. For the this is the $30 first aid kit.
So there
I asked you to leave that alone, please. The $30 first aid kit. It does meet the Boy Scout standards, but I would add some stuff to it, definitely to make it a little bit better. And this is a rolly pouch design. So, is it light? It's fairly light. Does it have a lot of stuff on compared to this? Yes. Can he use most of the stuff in it? This little guy here, can he use most of the stuff in it? Yes. Yes, he can. All right. So, thank you for watching. I would definitely add some stuff to this kit, but you have to say anything?
We'll see you next time on our last first aid kit video.
This is it.
Wait, didn't we do that one already?
Well, we really don't need to do one. That's a pretty much standard first aid kit. He's talking about this lunchbox first aid kit by Johnson & Johnson. So, thanks for watching. This is Jerome and Little Man. Out.
Andrew. We're out.